How to view your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll down until you find here battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled. After that, just go back. Now open Spotify and then make it like that. Don't close it, just go back. And now just wait 10 minutes. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Spotify is updated. After that, restart your phone and try again, and then your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.